I'm Kate, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add depth to your card and paper projects using your Cricut machine and this trusty scraper tool. So what we're going to do is cut some really simple flower shapes using our Cricut machine like these ones here, and then turn them into something much more impressive like this beautiful 3D flower. So let's start off in Design Space. I'm going to click on New Project in the top left-hand corner, which will take me to a blank canvas. So I'm going to take my cursor over here to where it says Images and click, and that will bring up lots and lots of image options. If I type into this search bar the word flower and then hit search, it will bring loads of different flower options up for me to choose from. What I'm going to do is just select those which are free, that don't need to be paid for. So in the ownership menu over here, click on plus and then check the box next to the word free. And then all the options that you'll see now, you don't need to pay for. So let's choose this one up here in the top right and then click Insert Images. And you'll see the flower appear on my canvas. I can change the size just by clicking and dragging on the double arrow option on the bottom right hand corner until it's whatever size I'd like it to be. And then click Make It. If you'd like your Cricut machine to cut multiple versions of this flower, you can just type in here as many as you would like and then click Apply. And you'll see that they all appear on your mat. But I'm just going to make one today, so I will change that back to a 1 and then hit apply again, and you'll see we're back to 1 on my mat. I'm ready to click continue. Now I need to tell my machine which material I'm using. So I'll click on browse all materials, click on this drop down by all categories and select cardstock. And today I'm using medium cardstock, so that's the one I'm going to select. And then click Done at the bottom here. And now if you take your blue mat and your piece of cardstock and place the card in the top left-hand corner of your mat, press it down and then use your brayer tool, this roller here, to make sure that it's firmly adhered onto the mat. When you're happy, you can flip your mat around and then feed it into your machine, making sure that it's nice and square, and then hit the flashing button on your machine. When your machine has finished cutting, you need to turn your mat over and gently peel the mat back off the card to reveal your design. Okay, so as you can see, I've cut out lots of different flowers here, but what we'd like to do is turn these flat pieces of card into more 3D designs like this beautiful flower here. And to do that, you need your scraper tool. So what I'm going to do is take one flower and take my scraper tool, press the base of one of the petals down against the edge of your scraper tool with your thumb, and then applying quite a bit of pressure with your thumb, drag it along the petal. Just keep doing that same motion and working your way around the flower on all of the petals, and you'll see that they start to curl up like that. Isn't that magic? I'm going to work my way around, and now all of the petals on this flower are curled upwards, which makes it look much, much nicer and much more interesting. What you can do, like I've done here, is cut out exactly the same flower but in different sizes. So I've gone down about ½ centimetre for each concentric flower for this design and cut them out, and then just applied that same effect using my scraper tool and glued them together to make this really pretty flower. You can do exactly the same for leaves. So again, I'm just dragging my scraper tool along to curve the edges of the leaves over like that to make it a bit more interesting. And you can really go to town. So on this wreath here, I've cut out lots and lots of different flower shapes, and I've curled all of them using my scraper tool to give it a lot more depth, and then just glued them on. I hope you found that useful. Please remember to check all our other videos for lots more project ideas and hints and tips. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.